Remember, I'm hitting the covenant. Guys at you go off the covenant?
I hit the first one.
The drop?
Yeah, the first drop. I hit it first time.
Hell yeah, that's 13 feet.
What's that?
It's 13 foot high, 20 foot out.
I went just a little too slow. I cased it, but it was still smooth.
So what, you still did it?
Yeah, dude, that was a fucking...
Did you overshoot the boner jump?
Oh, I skipped the second one.
Oh, okay.
I was off camber after that one. Dude, I sent the first drop.
I was sick. That's something to be proud of, man. That's the biggest drop on the mountain.
Really?
Yeah, 13 feet high, I'm telling you.
Fuck? Then the second one should be pussy shit.
Literally. Pretty much.
Next time around, I guess.
You hit Lower Dominion yet?
I hit it, never really cleared it.
Let's hit it now. I'll lead the way.
You were gone. It's one jump and it just like flows so fast. But one jump you miss, it's like boom, you off.
You're done. Wing it.
You gotta go first.
Tag, you're it. Catch me. That was a good save. Oh, that was good. Yo, I just like landed sideways and flattened out my back rim, or my wheel.
What happened?
I overshot the landing and landed a little crooked. Send it.
No, I'm not hitting.
Oh.
Sure.
I almost, I landed flat. So I landed flat in my tire. I felt my tire almost go off the rim a little bit.
Yeah, you felt it roll over?
Yeah, roll over, there you go.
Happened. I rolled some rock, and after I landed, my tire rolled.
Yep, that's exactly what happened to me.
I didn't case that whale tail, the right feature.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I sent right over it.
Oh, yeah.
You don't understand how much more... You don't understand how many more things I cleared just following you.
Good. Let's clear crap chute. Let's do it. The lower step up is hard. Oh my, fucking bug in the eye, bug in the eye. Can't see. Riding on the left side.
Who hit the squirrel? I did
did I kill it? You cut it.
You hit a squirrel?
I swear on my life.
I love it.
You cut the squirrel in half. I swear.
No shit.
I saw it run out, but I didn't even feel it.
I'm going back, bro. I swear. Did you see it? The tail was separate.
Oh my God, that's funny as
I
hell.
didn't even see. I saw something run across, but I didn't feel it. I'm like, fuck it.
Oh my God.
Tail. This much of the tail was literally cut right
Bro,
off.
that's the second squirrel I ran
That's
over on
sick.
a bike. I've hit one on my road
And the
bike.
groundhog too.
I love it. I almost had a groundhog down here. That shit was scary.
Where we, you know what?
Yeah, I would have busted ass if I had a groundhog.
This place where I ride deer nonstop. Literally every corner you have to slam on your brakes because
Oh my
you're
God.
almost running into them.
That's crazy.
Fort Creek is nuts.
Sweet. All right, ready to go?
Yeah.
I'm kind of squirrely on the hip, but it's all right. Whew, I got a bug in my eye. Gotta wear goggles. Drop it! Whee! Well done.